guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a Flipkart haul. I shopped for a bunch of products from Flipkart and I'm going to be showing you all of the things that I got. Flipkart has the latest selection with influencer brands that are refreshed weekly. They have a very wide variety with great quality and genuine international brands. They are Flipkart assured and they go through 6 quality checks. You can shop on Flipkart in 7 vernacular languages. It is the best value for money platform with over 10 lakh styles, and they have very easy exchange, return and refund policy, and they deliver within 48 hours. ऐसे ही थोड़ी ना बन गया इंडिया का fashion capital. This time I shopped for a lot of winter outfits. Flipkart is bringing you warmth this winter with 40 to 80% off on winter wear. So I highly recommend you check it out. They have offers on sweatshirts, cardigans, sweaters from brands like Monte Carlo, Urbanic, etc. Under rupees 500, so that's a complete steal deal. Apart from that, they're also running an offer on pullovers, sweatshirts and thermals from brands like Metronaut, Braille, Jockey, etc. And these offers are starting from rupees 149 only. So I highly recommend you check out all of these offers and grab your favorite products at amazing prices. So let me finally get started with all of the items that I purchased. The first item that I got is this very pretty sweatshirt which comes with a hoodie, and it's also got a zip on the front. The material is not very thick, it's very wearable, especially during this Mumbai winters, and the material is kind of soft from the outside and oh my god, it's so soft from the inside. It's a very cozy material from the inside. I just absolutely love how it feels and I just cannot wait to wear this. Now the MRP of this is 1500, but I got it for a 50% off just for rupees 740, which was a complete steal deal. Okay, so next up we have this. This is again a sweatshirt and I absolutely love the color combination that's going on. I love the combination of white and red with this navy blue, and this again comes with a hoodie. And the material of this is really nice. It's really body hugging, it's thick, even, and all you need to do is just throw this on a pair of pants or on a pair of shorts and you will be good to go. It looks so cute and so pretty. Now the MRP of this is 1600 rupees, but I just got it for 509 rupees. We have yet another sweatshirt and I absolutely love how smart this looks. It looks so pretty. The previous one was navy blue along with a combination of red and white, but this is black along with a combination of red and white. The material of this is the thickest. It's the best amongst all of the others that I opened so far. It looks like a very high quality material and this feels so good against the skin. I just cannot wait to wear this. The MRP of this is 1800 rupees, but I got it just for rupees 495. So the discount was amazing, and just around rupees 500 for a sweatshirt like this is a complete steal deal because the quality is superb. Okay, so this one is my absolute favorite. I just love the print that's going on, and let me just zoom you guys in. Can you see the material? It's fur, it's all fur, and oh my god, it's so squishy. It's something that you just want to wear and lay on the bed all day. You just want to sleep in this and you just want to feel so cozy in this. You just want to watch your Netflix movies in this, eat ice cream in this. This is that kind of a material. So cozy, super duper cozy, super duper comfortable. So this is my favorite piece from the entire lot and I just love how this feels. And you're not gonna believe how much I got this for. I just got it for 399. Like, I know, it's unbelievable. The quality is amazing. Next up is this jacket, and it's a very pretty one. It's got this quilt design going on all over, and then it has this side zip which looks very classy, by the way. And let me just open this, and that is how it looks like from the inside. Again, it's got a slightly quilted material on the inside. The material in and out, both of the sides, it's very soft. It's very good quality. You can actually wear this for New Year's even. That is how cool it is, that is how stylish it is. And the MRP of this is 1500 rupees and I got it just for 499. So I got a 66% off on this. And that's the last item. And this is a tracksuit. So that is the bottom. It's got this elastic on the top, on the front and back, and it has this red band on the side, and that is how it looks like. It's a straight fit bottom, and along with that is this jacket of the same color combination. It has a zip. It doesn't come with a hoodie. The material of the top and the bottom are both the same. The material is sort of like a workout outfit material. It's got the same quality material. I don't know what it's called, but it's exactly that kind of a material. And once I open the zip, इसके अंदर का material is also the same. Now I go for my jogging session at the beach every single day, and I think this would make up for a fabulous workout outfit. And the MRP of this is 1700 rupees and I got it for a 52% off just for rupees 799. So if you calculate, each piece costs rupees 399. So yeah, those are all of the items that I bought from the winter wear collection from Flipkart sale. I highly recommend you check out Flipkart winter wear collection, and also in general all of their fashion items. I think they are available at such amazing prices and the quality is amazing. They literally go through 6 quality control checks and the quality is fabulous. And you saw for yourself how trendy each piece was. They literally refresh their styles every week, so you want to check out Flipkart for the latest collection. So yeah, that was my video. That was my haul of winter wear products from Flipkart. I hope this video was helpful for you all. If it was, then please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.